First of all, view this music video for few seconds. Link for the full video is available in the description of this video.
हर साल दिवाली आती है एक शेर मेरा खुदा तेरी जन्नत के लिए क्यों खुद को खो देते हैं लोग कुछ है तेरी माया में जो अपनी जन्नत गवा देते हैं लोग हर साल दिवाली आती है रामायण की गाथा दोहराती है और हमें अच्छाई की बुराई पे जीत की गाथा सुनाती है हर साल.
Yes, I have made this video myself, so you must be thinking that it must have taken a lot of hard work, a lot of money and a lot of time. So I want to tell you that I have made this musical video with just 2 hours of hard work, and for this I have used the tools of artificial intelligence, and that too for free. Let's see how it was done. As you know, I am doing a whole video series. Artificial intelligence for everyone. In this, I keep telling you what all these artificial intelligence tools can do in the life of a common man. How can we make his life easier and how can we make him more productive? I keep talking about different tools or different techniques for that, so you can do one thing. You can subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Then what will happen is that as soon as I upload a new video, YouTube will alert you in this series, so you will not miss any episode. So quickly subscribe and press the bell icon. In today's episode we will see how a music video can be created using artificial intelligence, and that too for free. To make a music video, we need 4 things. First, the lyrics of the song. Then these lyrics will be sung with the music. Then we need a lot of visuals that match the emotion of the music, and the 4th thing we need is video editing so that we can match the visuals with the song in a sequence and create video. So first of all we need the lyrics of the song. We are going to prepare them from ChatGPT, and for that we need a good prompt. So I am giving a framework of a prompt. If you want, you can copy it, take a snapshot. So on top of this framework, I will ask you to prepare a lyric for which a song will be written that a child is playing with a football. So its theme will be nursery and the mood will be happy, and the theme will be that a 2-year-old child is playing with his football and the song will be sung. In solo it means only the child will sing, and some lyrics of the song will be that he is very happy with his new ball. You can use ChatGPT in 2 ways. One is through the app, which you can install on your iPhone or Android, and the other is by visiting chatgpt.com in your web browser. If it's your first time, you'll need to create an account, which is easy to create with your Google account. Now, I need to enter a prompt for ChatGPT from my Google account to create a song. I have this prompt saved in a text file, so I'll open the file, copy the prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate lyrics, which I can then copy, paste back into the text file, and save. Another way to get lyrics is to copy them if you already have a source, like a friend or relative who shares songs on social media. I have a relative who posts songs on Facebook, so I saved one of their songs. This is our first step in creating a video with visuals. Our next step is to make a song from lyrics, for which we will use a website, which is Suno.com. We will create an account on it, log in and select the option of Generate Music. The other option in it is Custom Music. We will select it. We will paste our lyrics and press the Generate button. It will create 2 songs for each lyric. We can listen to these songs. We can download the one we like. So our step 2 is completed, in which we have made songs from lyrics. Our next step will be to create visuals for the songs, for which we will use ChatGPT and upload our lyrics to ChatGPT and prompt it to create scenes. After the scenes are created, we will further prompt it to create visuals related to each scene. It will give us prompts for visuals and we will copy-paste these prompts and save them in a text file. Now we will create visuals and I am going to tell you about two such great AI tools, with the help of which we will be able to generate videos from text prompts very easily, and that too from a free account. And along with these tools, I will tell you how we can also create visuals from Canva. Our first AI tool is VIVAGO.AI. There are many good options available on it to generate images and videos. We will use Try for free and create an account which will be created very simply from Google account. Then we will log into it. And on this, we will copy-paste the prompts that we have created from ChatGPT, one by one, and press the Generate button. This will create our small videos which we will later download and save. Our second AI tool is HAILUOAI. It is in Chinese, but you can easily translate it into English from the settings of Chrome browser. Once on the site, select Video. A new page will open there. Create your account, which can be done very easily from Google account. After that you will see Reimagine Video Creation there. Copy-paste your prompt in the box and press the Generate button. Your video generation will start. While your video is getting created, you can add the next two prompts. At a time you can add 3 prompts in the queue. In this way, videos related to each of your prompts will start getting generated. Save these videos and download them. Our next tool is Canva, a great platform for creating visual content. First, create an account if you don't already have one. Then open Canva and log in. Select Create a Design and choose the YouTube video design option on the right side. A blank canvas will open on the right. On the left, you'll see a menu with Canva apps. Click on Apps and select Videos. A panel will open on the left with video thumbnails. You can search for specific videos by typing keywords. For example, we'll type Diwali and search. Videos related to Diwali will appear. Choose a video you like, add it to the canvas, and save it. Then download it. This completes our task of gathering visuals, and we are done with step 3, creating a musical video. Now we have come to the final step of making a music video, and this step is of editing. In this step we will mix and match the visuals with the emotions of the song, and for this we will need a video editing software. You can use whichever software you like because the basic features of all video editing software are almost the same. I really like using Clipchamp for video editing. You can use it directly in your web browser, and all you need is a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create a Hotmail or Outlook account. Clipchamp is free, but it has all the features of a good video editing software. I especially like its text-to-voice feature, which I use often to make my videos. For the Hindi version of this video, I used my own voice, but for this English version, I'm using Clipchamp's text-to-voice feature. It would really help me if you could tell me in the comments whether I should use my own voice or text-to-voice. You can also install Clipchamp on your desktop or laptop through the Microsoft Store. Let's create our music video. First, we'll import the song we made on Suno.com and the visuals we created into Clipchamp. Next, we'll place the song audio on the timeline and add our visuals to match the lyrics. We'll cut, trim, or extend each visual as needed to sync with the song. Once done, our music video will be complete. Here's a quick summary of the steps. Feel free to take a screenshot, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video on another helpful topic. Thank you.